Welcome to another how-to video, how to delete account and Whiteout Survival. Hey gamers, today let me show you how you can easily delete an account in Whiteout Survival. Actually, the steps are easy to follow. I'll make it simple for you. So all you have to do is click your profile on the upper left of your screen. While you are in the Profile tab, you just have to click Settings. Now you're in the Settings tab, click Other. As you can see, there are two options in the Other tab. First, delete the character. Second is to delete the account. Since we are here to delete an account, we will choose delete account. There's a notice that you will delete your entire account. So while we're here, click delete, and that's it. That's how easy you can delete an account in Whiteout Survival. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.